From the moment humanity first looked up at the skies and dreamed of dominance in the air, the fighter jet has always been the ultimate symbol of speed, power, and technological evolution. Across decades of innovation, we've witnessed legendary aircraft rise, dominate, and then fade into the pages of aviation history. But every now and then, a new design emerges that doesn't just follow the legacy of those before it, but redefines what it means to be a fighter in the modern era. That is exactly the place the Steel Raptor claims for itself. This is not just a fighter jet. This is a machine that feels engineered to be feared, respected, and admired all at once. The Steel Raptor is a name that echoes aggression and precision, a predator born of steel and fire, designed to take control of any sky it enters. At first glance, the Steel Raptor looks like something straight out of a futuristic vision of air combat. Sleek, angular surfaces stretch across its body, sculpted with stealth in mind, but there is something almost animalistic in its form. Its wings are sharp, swept back aggressively, giving it the posture of a bird of prey ready to strike. Every curve, every edge, is calculated not just for aesthetics but for aerodynamic efficiency and radar evasion. It feels alive, like a predator frozen in steel. The name, Raptor, isn't just symbolic, it reflects the aircraft's personality. And yet, beneath this striking appearance, lies an arsenal of next-generation systems and weapons that elevate it far beyond a machine of intimidation. The Steel Raptor is built to thrive in multiple combat roles. It isn't just an air superiority fighter, though it excels in dogfighting. It isn't just a strike aircraft, though its payload capacity rivals the heaviest in its class. It is designed as a multi-role platform capable of dominating every aspect of modern warfare. From beyond visual range engagements to close-in combat, from electronic warfare to ground attack, the Steel Raptor adapts like a predator adjusting its hunt to the environment. What makes it truly remarkable is how seamlessly it transitions between these roles, powered by an avionics suite that borders on science fiction. At its heart lies one of the most powerful engines ever installed in a fighter jet. Twin afterburning turbofan engines roar with raw thrust, pushing the Steel Raptor to blistering supersonic speeds while maintaining incredible maneuverability. It is not just fast, it is agile in a way that defies expectations. The thrust vectoring nozzles grant it the ability to perform tight, gravity-defying maneuvers that few aircraft could survive. In the hands of a skilled pilot, it can twist and turn like a hawk diving on prey, evading missiles, and outmaneuvering rivals with ease. Speed, power, and maneuverability converge here into a perfect trinity that makes the Steel Raptor not just a machine of war, but a weapon of dominance. But speed and agility alone are not enough in the skies of today. Modern warfare is decided as much by information as by firepower. That is why the Steel Raptor has been equipped with one of the most advanced sensor and avionics systems on the planet. Its radar is a next-generation AESA array, capable of detecting, tracking, and engaging multiple targets simultaneously at extreme ranges. Beyond that, it integrates infrared search and track, electronic warfare countermeasures, and a networked battle data system that allows it to share and receive information with allied units in real time. This gives the Steel Raptor something that older generations of jets could only dream of: battlefield awareness. In modern combat, knowing more, and knowing it faster, is often the difference between life and death. And the Steel Raptor thrives in this environment, hunting enemies before they even realize they are being hunted. Stealth is another domain where the Steel Raptor takes no compromises. Its body is sculpted with radar-absorbent materials and carefully engineered surfaces that minimize its visibility on enemy detection systems. To radar operators, it appears as a ghost, slipping through detection nets until it is too late. But stealth is not only about radar invisibility. Infrared suppression systems reduce its heat signature, and advanced noise suppression minimizes acoustic detection. When the Steel Raptor takes to the skies, it becomes a phantom, striking from the shadows and vanishing just as quickly. It doesn't just fight in the open, it fights in the silence of unseen warfare. Weapons define a fighter's true capability, and the Steel Raptor is an apex predator when it comes to armament. Inside its internal weapon bays, it can carry a deadly mix of beyond visual range missiles, short-range dogfight missiles, precision-guided bombs, and even hypersonic weapons designed to outrun defenses. The internal bays ensure stealth is maintained, while external hardpoints can be utilized for larger payloads when stealth is less of a concern. Imagine it approaching enemy airspace with radar invisibility, releasing precision-guided munitions onto critical targets, and vanishing before the defenders can even react. Or picture it in a close-in dogfight, unleashing short-range heat-seekers with deadly precision while its agility keeps it untouchable. The Steel Raptor is not just armed, it is overarmed, prepared for every scenario. Yet, what truly makes the Steel Raptor extraordinary is how it blends machine with human. The cockpit is a marvel of ergonomic and technological design. A fully digital glass cockpit presents the pilot with a flood of information, carefully curated through artificial intelligence assistance that filters data into actionable insights. Augmented reality displays project targeting, navigation, and situational awareness overlays directly into the pilot's helmet visor. Voice controls, advanced HOTAS systems, and AI co-pilot assistance mean that a single pilot can manage this overwhelming suite of systems with precision and focus. Flying the Steel Raptor is not about fighting the machine, it is about becoming one with it. The pilot becomes the predator, and the aircraft becomes the wings. Durability and survivability are also at the core of this design. The Steel Raptor is built with redundant systems to survive in contested environments. Its electronic countermeasures can jam, deceive, and neutralize incoming threats. Its defensive sensors can detect missile launches, automatically triggering flares or electronic defenses. And even if hit, its armored composite frame and smart damage control systems ensure it can return home. This is not a fragile bird of prey, it is steel-clad, designed to take punishment and still strike back. The Steel Raptor is not just a machine of war, it is a statement of dominance. It signals to allies that the skies are safe under its watch, and it warns enemies that no corner of the battlefield is safe from its reach. It embodies the philosophy of air power in the 21st century: stealth, speed, awareness, and adaptability. It is the predator at the top of the food chain, the one that defines the battlefield by its mere presence. But perhaps the most haunting aspect of the Steel Raptor is its psychological impact. In warfare, perception often carries as much weight as performance. The mere rumor of a Steel Raptor deployment sends ripples of fear through enemy forces. Pilots know they may never see it coming. Defenders know their radars may never detect it. Commanders know their assets could vanish without warning. The psychological dominance of such an aircraft cannot be overstated. It doesn't just fight the enemy, it breaks their will. And yet, like all great weapons, the Steel Raptor also sparks debates. Some question if such overwhelming power risks escalating conflicts. Others argue that it is a necessary deterrent, ensuring peace through strength. But what is undeniable is that the Steel Raptor represents the pinnacle of human engineering, a convergence of science, innovation, and ambition. It is not just a step forward in aviation, it is a leap into the future of warfare. The skies have always been a place of legends. From the Spitfire of World War II to the F-22 of the modern era, certain fighters leave behind legacies that outlive their service. The Steel Raptor feels destined to join that pantheon. It is not just another aircraft in a long line of fighters, it is one of those rare machines that define an era. Its speed, its stealth, its sensors, its firepower, and its presence combine to create something greater than the sum of its parts. It is a weapon of the future, unleashed in the present. When the Steel Raptor roars into the sky, it carries with it the weight of innovation, the edge of technology, and the spirit of dominance. It is the embodiment of the predator's hunt, silent, swift, and unstoppable. And as long as it rules the skies, the Steel Raptor will remain what it was born to be: the apex predator of aerial combat, the master of the unseen, the steel shadow that watches from above.